Done church. Let's go to shopping. Done church. Let's go to shopping. Gosh, cry baby. Kakalgo na si Baby Jess. Antok na si Baby Jess. Julio, antok na Baby Jess? Antok na yan. Antok na. How about Rigel? Antok na rin si Rigel. How about Julio? Where are we going, Julio? Let's go to
shopping.
shopping. Ano? Nilak na.